thinking about your love. Yeah,
Everybody get captured. Play sleep up like helicopter. When them see the lyrical doctor.
Hey beautiful people, hey gorgeous, welcome to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. This video is in response to Robin Powell's comment. So she wants me to show the hairline, the video that says must watch, new hairline technique. She wants me to do a detailed video on how I do this hairline. Now, I thought I had shown enough in the video to let you see the technique. So what I'm going to do today is just redo the hairline, not using a person, of course, but I'm going to show snippets in the original video so you can see that I actually did slow it down, zoom in, and show multiple times how to do this hairline. I'm not sure if people are skipping through the videos or if they're not seeing these things, but I try, if I do something new, I try to incorporate it in my video so it's not just, just saying new technique and I'm not showing you. Pardon me if you don't see what you want to see. I would encourage you to slow down the video, just watch the entire video. Try not to skip through it because then you skip important details, and then I get a comment to show the detail when I've already shown it. So Robin Powell, thank you for your comment. This video is dedicated to you, and hopefully those of you who did not catch it will catch it this time. Okay, so this is how I do my hairline now. It saves me time. I like the look of it. I'm able to make the hairline look natural, like the hair is coming from the scalp. So I like this technique better. I show you also a variation in this video how you can use another technique if you don't know how to cornrow. All right, guys, so enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Keep your comments coming. If you want to see anything, let me know, and I'll try my best to give it to you. If I can't do it and you don't see a video, then I'm not able to do it. But I'll try my very best to show you something that you request. All right, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hey, can you please hold the hair for me? So if you don't have anybody to help you hold the hair, you can still braid without holding it. Start by starting the cornrow a little bit. So we're gonna do a mock 3-strand braid here. Hopefully you guys can differentiate what I'm doing with these colors. Let the hair hang forward. Majority of the hair hang forward, unless I'm trying to lengthen it myself and maybe create some type of layering look, then I will start it from here. But if I want it to be long, I'll let the hair lengthen all the way, and I can cut it later if I want. So I start the braid here. And this just helps me to make sure that the hair stays, you know, secured and not separated, and make it hard for me to braid. Explaining it is harder. This way the hair hangs, and when the person lifts up the hair, it looks like it's coming from their scalp. I guess this is some type of a tree braid technique, but I realized that lately when I do this, it also saves me some time. Another method of doing this, another method you could use is grab the hair like this, right? And then put your crochet latch hook through your cornrows and bring it to the front. Grab your crochet hair and pull it through your cornrow like that. This is also a way that you can mimic this look without cornrowing with it, but then you will be doing it this way. And how do you make sure that it doesn't pull? What I do is I will crochet it through my cornrow. So now it's part of my cornrow. And I can just continue braiding. Okay, so this is one way to do it. Now, if you're done with all your cornrow and you did this, just crochet the loose end all the way into your cornrow. And then when you put your crochet hair in later, it will secure it. Because when you pick the hair like this, and you put another crochet hair over it, it will secure it. It won't go anywhere. I hope that makes sense. So I'm just going to take this apart and show you one more time how to do this technique, because it's hard for me to explain it, but it's easy for me to show it to you. I always make sure that I leave a little bit of hair that I'm going to start cornrowing with. I'll separate that from all of it. take my crochet hair that I'm going to use. Since I'm going to let majority hang to the front, I'm just going to leave this much, split it in 3 equal parts, and start cornrowing to secure it a little bit. I don't mean cornrow, start braiding it. If the person can hold it for you, great. If the person can't hold it for you, you can still do it. Once you start the cornrow a little bit, it locks it, so you don't have to depend on the person grabbing the hair for you. You can just continue doing your cornrow yourself. So sometimes I'll go ahead and release that the part that I started doing the cornrow, just so it doesn't look like I have a knot. So now it's looser. See what I'm saying? Yeah. Well, hopefully this explanation or this visual was a little bit easier to understand for the video.